Welcome back to another Inebriated. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a coconut s'mores cocktail with our fantastic coconut rum and a few other local North Carolina products.
Great cocktail. Let's get inebriated. That's how you make the coconut s'mores cocktail. This is just another creation that we made here, and it's fantastic. It's sweet, so if you're a sweet tooth, definitely try this drink. It's definitely like more of a dessert cocktail.
For sure.
I mean, garnish with a toasted marshmallow. It's got the chocolate liqueur, the s'mores rim. Like, you really can't go wrong with this drink if you're looking for a dessert. So why don't you tell us about this drink?
Yeah, I mean, it's basically what it sounds like, just s'mores cocktail. So if you look at how we made the coconut, I guess you would call it syrup kind of thing, super easy. I just took a big spoonful and about another half of a big spoonful of the marshmallow cream, added it to your bowl, and you do about just half an ounce of whatever rum you want to put in there. We used coconut, but this would also be great with our spiced, or the coffee even, or just one of the Queen Charlottes, probably the 1 year I would recommend for that, but any of those would be awesome with that, and it's super easy. Just whisk it and then strain it out. You don't even have to strain it, but I like to strain it. And to that, we added some really cool things. We added this Cacao bourbon from Mystic. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. They're over around the Durham area. This is a 50% cacao nib finished bourbon. But what I love about it is that it is super dry. It's kind of got that baker's chocolate kind of thing in there. So because it's 50% and it's that dry and that strong of a flavor, you only need to use like less than half an ounce. I used probably like 0.3, 0.4 of an ounce, not quite a full half ounce, but not a quarter. So you really don't need much to get that in there. And of course, shout out to the other North Carolina distilleries. And speaking of other North Carolina distilleries, we also are using some damn fine white chocolate liqueur from Durham Distilling. Highly, highly recommend these guys. They make fantastic gins and vodkas and liqueurs like this. When I came up to visit them, they actually hooked me up with this one. So this stuff is awesome. Of course, it's super not necessary for this drink at all. I just was using Mystic, and I wanted to kind of throw the kitchen sink at you for this one. So
I like that this cocktail tastes like there's something that's not liquor in it, but it's all liquor. So it's definitely strong. If you want to check out the recipe, check it out in the description, as well as everything on our website. We've got cocktail tours, tastings, stuff like that. Check us out. Can't wait to see you guys. Until next time.
cheers.
Cheers.